Hello students, as a continuation of the earlier session on credit rating agencies, in today's session we are going to learn about the credit rating symbols used by various credit rating agencies in India to rate the financial instruments such as debentures, the short-term instruments like commercial papers, the midterm instruments, the equity ratings, the bond ratings, the real estate ratings, the credit assessments, and so on. Specifically, we are going to focus on CRISIL and ICRA. So, let's begin. Rating symbols or the grading are the symbolic expressions of opinion or assessment of the credit rating agency regarding the investment or credit quality or grading of debt obligations or any kind of a financial instruments. The final expression of investment quality of a financial instrument used by Indian rating agency. Fine. So, rating symbol provides a relative ranking of the credit quality of debt or financial instruments or their grading according to the investment qualities. So, we will firstly discuss the few financial instruments which are rated by CRISIL, how they rate, what are the rating symbols used by CRISIL. Firstly, we'll start with debentures. Now, debentures rating is mandatory as per SEBI. The CRISIL assigns an alpha-based rating scale for a rupee-denominated debentures. It categorizes them into three grades, namely the high investments, and the speculative ones. The high investment grade as per CRISIL includes AAA, AAA. So, if the CRISIL grades an debenture as AAA, that means it is an highest security. Now, whenever a AAA is been rated by the CRISIL for a debenture, they are just to offer the highest safety against the timely payment of interest and the principals. Also, CRISIL grades these assets into debentures into AA. When it is in AA, that means it high safety. They are just to offer a high safety against a timely payment and the principal. The investment grades as per CRISIL for debentures are A for adequate safety, BBB for a moderate safety, and also CRISIL has graded a speculative grades for debentures. Now, if a debenture has been graded as BB, that means it is inadequate safety, and if it is graded as B, that means there is a high risk being involved. C is for a substantial risk and D for default. Default in the sense there is a highest chance of non-payment of interest and a principal from the said entity if their debentures are being rated as D or a default. Fine. So now we will discuss about how CRISIL has graded the fixed deposits. Fixed deposits are divided into 6 broad categories as per rating symbols of CRISIL, which starts from FAAA to FD. Now, FAAA means the high security, then comes FAA, which is high safety, then comes an FA, which is an adequate safety. Also, it has rated FB, FC, which are inadequate safety and higher risk subsequently, and FD is nothing but default. Also, CRISIL has rated different short-term instruments. The symbols used by CRISIL for rating the short-term instruments such as commercial papers, are from P1 to P5. Now P1 means highest safety. The rating indicates that the degree of safety regarding timely payment of instrument is very strong. P2 is high safety, P3 is adequate safety, P4 is supposed to be inadequate safety, and if are rated as P5, that means it is at default. The rating indicates that the instrument is expected to be in a default upon maturity, or it is already in default. CRISIL also does the rating of credit assessment. Now credit assessment rating of CRISIL are given with the grading symbols ranging with the numerals from 1 to 14. Credit assessment shows about entities' capability to repay the interest and the principal. Now 1, if it has been rated by CRISIL, that means it is very strong capacity to pay the interest and the principal. Number 2, 3, 4 means strong capacity. If credit assessment rating given by CRISIL is 5, 6, 7, then it is adequate capacity. If an entity is being rated with a credit assessment rating of 8 or 9 or 10, that means it has inadequate capacity to pay the interest and the principal. Also, if CRISIL has rated an entity's credit assessment rating as 11, 12 or 13, that means the entity has poor capacity to pay the interest and principal. 14 means it is at default, it will not be able to pay the interest as well as the principal. CRISIL also rates the bond funds and the bank loan ratings. Now bond funds are rated by CRISIL with a symbol starting with a AAAF. Now AAAF is in high security, AAA is in adequate security, AF, BBF, BBF and CF are the remaining ratings which are considered to be the lower ratings for bond funds. Now bank loan ratings are also being rated by CRISILs. Now bank loan is rated with a BLR1, BLR2, BLR3, BLR4 and BLR5 and 6 by CRISIL, wherein BLR1 is the highest secured bank loan where there is a chance of interest and the principal being returned with ease, and as you go down from BL2 to BL3 to BL4, BL5 to BL6, the rating says that there is a moderate to inadequate to risk, wherein BL6 is at default. Also we have ratings for different financial instruments as per the ICRA. Now ICRA rates long-term instruments including the debentures, bonds and the preference shares. AAA is in high safety, LAA plus, LAA and LAA minus is a high safety, LA plus, LA minus are the adequate safety, LBB plus, LBB and LBB minus are the moderate safety as per the ICRA ratings for the long-term instruments. LBB plus, LBB and LBB minus is an adequate safety. LB plus, LB and LB minus are the assets which are prone to risk. Now LC plus, LC and LC minus ratings if given to the long-term instruments of any entity, that means those instruments are having a substantial risk. Also LD is at default, there is no chance of getting the principal and the interest back. So these are the rating symbols of ICRA for the long-term instruments. ICRA also rates the medium-term instruments including the fixed deposits and the certificate of deposits. Now MAAA means the highest safety, then comes MA plus MAA minus, which means the medium term instruments are having high safety. Then we have MB plus, MB and MB minus with the inadequate safety, and then MC plus, MC and MC minus means those medium term instruments are prone to risk, and MD is the instruments are at default. ICRA also rates the real estate developers with the symbol of DR1, which means very strong project execution capacity. Also DR2 and DR2 minus means strong project execution capacity. DR3 plus, DR3 and DR3 minus means moderate project execution capacity. DR4 plus, DR4 and DR4 minus means inadequate project execution capacity. These real estate developers are also rated as DR5 if that real estate developer is having a weak project execution capacity. The symbols for the real estate projects are such as RT1, which means a strong project, RT2 plus, RT2 and RT2 minus means a strong project, RT3 plus, RT3 and RT3 minus means a moderate project, RT4 plus and RT4 minus means the real estate project is having inadequacy, and RT5 means the project is weak. So we learnt about the various rating symbols used by credit rating agencies such as CRISIL and ICRA to rate the financial instruments. That's it for the day. Have a good day. See you soon. Thank you.